Hello dear students, today we are starting with our practical class of chemistry. We are going to prepare types of solutions. Now as we have done in our chapter 2, we are going to prepare true solution, colloid and suspension. So let us start preparation of these solutions. We are going to take 3 beakers. In all the 3 beakers, we are going to pour 100 ml of water. Okay, so I have poured 100 ml of water in all the 3 beakers. Now in the first beaker, I am going to take approximately 1 gram of sugar. Now we are going to stir this mixture nicely with the help of glass rod. It is going to take few seconds to mix, but whole of the sugar crystals will evenly mix into the water particles. Now as we have read in chapter 1, the water level will not rise. Why it will not rise? Because the particle size is so small that it completely arranges itself into the spaces between the particles of water. That is why completely sugar particles are going to arrange themselves into the spaces of water particles. Now as you can see, we have this completely transparent solution. Now in the second beaker, I am going to put approximately 1 gram of starch. Now this is soluble starch and we are going to mix it nicely with glass rod, and as you see, the solution is translucent. Coming to the third beaker. Now this third beaker, I am going to add sand. See, when you stir, you find that the mixture is mixing. But when you leave it for some time, you will find that it is divided into 2 distinct phases. Let us leave it for some time and then I will show you again. Now coming to the comparison between these 2 solutions. If you try to see it, you will find that this solution, true solution, this is transparent and this solution is translucent. Why is this this transparent solution? Let us go up with the properties of this true solution. This is transparent. Why? Because the particle size is very small. It is the particle size is of 10 to the power minus 9 meters. It means approximately 1 nanometer. So the particle size is going to be till 1 nanometer. Now, second thing, this true solution is homogeneous. What do you mean by homogeneous? A solution where the solute is completely soluble in water and what is happening? There is uniform composition. अच्छे से mix हो गया है and you cannot see distinct phases in this. So this is a homogeneous mixture. So it is true solution also and it is homogeneous mixture also. Okay. When I am talking about this mixture, this is transparent. Now this is transparent. Why? Because the particle size is approximately 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. This solution is looking like it is homogeneous. It is appearing like homogeneous, but it is not homogeneous, it is heterogeneous. If you see it under the microscope, you will observe that the particles can be seen under the microscope. So this is a heterogeneous, this is appearing to be homogeneous, but this is a heterogeneous mixture. The particle size is 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Coming to the third one, see, I've left it for some time and now you can completely see two distinct phases. The upper one, which is the lighter in color, and the lower one which is darker in color. So this is a heterogeneous mixture. Why? Because it is not having uniform composition. Upper layer is lighter in composition and the lower layer, which is darker, all the particles have settled down. So this is the third property, very important and distinct property of heterogeneous mixture, that the particles settle down after some time. So this is suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture, and the particle size, the size of the particles is so big that it cannot adjust itself within the spaces of water molecules. So that is why after some time they settle down. The particle size is more than 100 nanometers and all these particles settle down. Clear? So we have done 3 types of solutions: true solution, colloid and suspension. We have prepared these 3 solutions and we have tried to understand the properties of these 3 solutions. I hope you have understood this. Kindly write this experiment in your files and complete this practical. Thank you.